Welcome to Membership Websites. So today we're going to have a look at the text area within the hero section, and we're also going to add a small text area just above the call to action as well, so we can have a title for our website, but we can also have a subtitle as well. So if we go into our admin section, we'll go to design settings, and when the page loads up, we'll go to home page, hero title text, and we can see that the text being called at the moment is detailed in here. Online directories for any market, industry and location, which is being displayed within the hero section. So assuming that we're making a website for clockmakers, welcome to the clockmakers website. Okay, so we'll save that back to the main menu and the main website, sorry, and we'll refresh. Welcome to the Clockmakers website. Now, if we want that to appear all on one line, we could reduce the size of the text. However, I can see that the text content area is only 70%, so we'll just increase this to 100%. And save that, and that should put all the text on one line, hopefully. If not, we can reduce the size of the text to accomplish that. There we go. Now to put in a subtitle, search for all your clockmaking needs. Not too sure how popular this website will be, but it is just for an example. Save. We'll go back to the main website. We'll refresh. And we can see here that we've now got a subtitle displaying. We can change the font to suit our needs. So we can change the font within the font family section. We can adjust the size of the font as well. We might want to carry a bit of a stronger weight to the font, so we're going to click on the extra bold for the main title text, and for the subtitle text we'll click on bold, and we're going to save that, go back to the main menu, and hopefully the text should be emphasized a wee bit more once we refresh the website, and we can see there that it's emphasized quite a bit more, and we can adjust the size of it, the color of it, and stuff like that as well, as we choose to. So I hope that was helpful, and thanks for watching.